4 is in this pose. So let's work in common as we like. Take our feet, take it 1, take it 2, take it 3, and 5 stay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, after that we will take our hands and then we will do, I will open my hands and when I go back I will close. It's 2, 3, 4. Work with your other leg. So take breath out and out and back. So good work. After that we will get seat, take and starting to pushing. So 1, 2, and take it to back, go down to 1. So you'll finish first complex. And now move on to this position.
Ну, часы типа у меня там не переключены, вылез за время съемки. Часы. Напишешь, что 4 минуты записано.
Мы же записали.
Да.
А когда часы?
Запишите, да? Плюс мы забыли с тобой взять микрофон.
Да. Если мы его ставим, я тоже про то же подумала, и я подумала, что мы свет не включили.
Да, свет не включила, вот это тоже. Первое не сделали, визуал.
Я тоже подумала. Подожди. Не нравится время.
Так, значит, здесь окей, тут вода.
Зачем? Мне наоборот надо больше.
А что ты сюда будешь делать?
Я скажу, что сейчас мы будем делать комплекс.
Не ори даже. Окей. Просто комплекс. Следующий комплекс.
And our next complex on open our hips and station wheel speed. I will show you. So working first number knee and back. 2, back. 3, back. After that we will be working. So I will take one hand on the back and work on the back and working with the hips. And 2. We'll feel our body. So it's 4 and back, and so after that we'll get to one back and slowly going in this side. So and 3 and I going in this side and working with this leg. And 3. Slowly get back and do the same exercise. This 1 and 2 and 3. 2, 3, and slowly get the blocks. We'll take it under our knees and start working with our legs. 2, 3, 4, and pushing this up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, working and changing the guns. So 3, 4, and slowly slide behind to 1, and 4, and try to stretch your legs. 1, and 2, 3, and 5, 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So try to walk away, and sitting this side, and working this side. 2, 3, 4, and then you will do on the back.
Да. Ты понимаешь? Еще, слушай, вот очень прикольно, когда ты тут нанимаешься, вот этот костюм, кстати, он такой получится. Понимаешь, нужно немножко легко поднимать уголочки, но если такой не делаешь.
Так тяжеловато. Давай я сейчас думаю, может. А сейчас и за нее жарко.
Да, только
Туда, нужно напротив сюда.
нет. Да,
Да. We'll do new complex on our butterfly and go on our hips. So let's start it. You can use it a little high or do it on the floor. So 2, 3, little bit do this exercise. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm pushing behind. So 1, 2, 3. Use with our blocks and slowly drag down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our frog position. So I will use one pillow that might be not here. And hand to the floor and starting slide. So 1 and 2, 4 and 5. Slide down. And now we will work 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, now we will working. I will first take one leg and get sort my hip slowly back. So another. Let's start. So 1, back, 2, back, 3, 5, back. Slowly get sit and relax it. 5 seconds. 1, 5. Amazing work. Then set our front position will be better. We will left and slide. So 1, 2, and 5. Slide and relax in this position. So 1, 4 and 5. So slowly go in this position. 1 and 2 and 3. Amazing work. This is another side. So I will use the wheel on this side. Take a look. 2, 3, 4, and another knee. Once relax, take a breeze, breathe out, and stay to 1. Bye bye. So, guys, I will hold you to like this mix. I will hold you to like do this elements and stretch your ribs. Good. So, like.
Получилось здорово.